Well, it didn't work. It stopped in the middle. Motherfucker. Nope, didn't like that one either. Alright, well. Let's go back. Is this one going to be A1 or 1? It looks like 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 3. Oops. 4. And then 1, 2. Fine code. Locksmith can help you. Alright, let's cut this key. She good. That's from another guy on TikTok. I'll have to tag him on that. Alright, let's program it. Wait for that light to turn on. Alright, it's all done. Of course the key's getting stuck in because there's that 4 to 1 cut. Just to get it out the first time. Okay, we're good now. Button should work.